Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. I'm going to show two different methods of subtracting with the standard algorithm first. So this is probably the method you learned early on. You stacked them and then you try to subtract here. 0 minus 0 gives me 0. Now, can't take 8 away from 6, so you learn to borrow 100, making that 16 minus 8. And then 6 minus 3 gives you 3. And this is a perfectly fine method. Like I said, it's the standard algorithm. That means that's what we taught most of the time. But I found that some students don't understand that method. So let me show you a second method. We can use the expanded form of a number. So 760 becomes 760 and 0 ones. 380 becomes 380 and 0. So now we can subtract these here. So this is pretty easy to see. We're going to get 0 again. But now it's very easy to see that I can't take 80 out of 60, but I have to borrow a 100. So I have 600 left here. And now this makes this 160. So it becomes clear to the student that you're actually borrowing 100, where in the standard model, that's not really clear that you're borrowing 100. Your student will easily see that we are borrowing 100 here. And now you can borrow 160 minus 80, which would be 80. And then 600 minus 300 would be 300. And then, of course, your student's going to need to convert their expanded form back to number form. But what we find is that students, if we show them this model first with the expanded forms, then they get the idea that we're borrowing 100. They might miss that in the standard algorithm. So if you want to show them this method first and then show them, well, we just use a shortcut to write the borrowing 100 with the 1 in the standard algorithm, I think it's going to make better sense for them.